What's going on, friends? Deerfamy sent me this nice little portable hammock. So me and my boys are going to set this up in the tree, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. We're going to see how good we think this is built, and I'm just going to show you how to hook this up. I had a couple soldiers that used to be in my platoon and when I was in the Army that brought these to AT every year, and they slept in them every night. So I've seen a couple of these already before. So we'll see if this one compares to the two that I've already seen. I'm going to set this up in the tree, and I'm going to show you how easily you can unhook it and pack it back up in the bag. And I'm going to show you it hooked on my deck. It works really nice on my deck also. Okay, I'm going to hang this hammock in between these two trees right here. And these are about 14 foot apart, just to give you a good picture of what you need to hang these between. All right, this comes with two 10-foot straps. This. Here, hold this one. 1 and 2. There's 18 different spots on this strap that you can hook this in. Now you're going to take this strap, the end that there's no little loops in it. There's only one little loop on the end here. And then there's no loops. You put that around the tree. Like that. And put this end through there. Like that. And there's no way this is going to slide down this tree, but if you had something that was a little more slippery, all right, you're going to want to take these straps, and this side that you have this hook, the loop in over here, that should be more like that. So when it pulls on it, it tightens it up. Don't put it like this. Then you pull on it and it's just going to get loose. So you're going to want to put it this way, so it tightens up. Like I said, put this side around the tree. That through there. Now I'm going to pull this hammock out. And this little bag that the hammock comes in, it stays right on that hammock. Now you got two carabiners on both sides. Now I'm going to guess where I need to go here. What am I 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Just that one. How's it feel, man?
Scary. Stop.
Let me try. All right, these straps, like I said, got two nice 10-foot straps. You got two carabiners that hold 600 pounds each.
So me and Spencer should both be able to sit there?
Yeah, and this is supposed to hold 440 pounds. Move over. Move over a little bit.
I can't move any farther.
I think we feel good. I think we could get Piper in here.
I don't want to.
What do you think?
We could. Too far.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh about 160.
I weigh 60.
Okay. All right. Lay down in there, Patrick. Let me show you another thing this thing will do.
Oh, are you gonna like wrap
Lay down in there.
Wait,
this,
take your shoes off.
You can wrap this over this like this. You're not in the center.
Oh,
there you go.
So you run out of boxes.
Hang on, let me get over here. You can lay your kid in there, wrap that in there.
And then swing him.
You take your strap.
Oh my God.
It's too big. Put your hands above your head. Okay. Oh, you're too fat. Hang on.
Do it, Dad. Go, Dad.
I got him. Hang on. There. It's stuck in.
Wait, swing him.
It's like a seatbelt. It's perfect.
Oh my God.
That's good. All right. All right, that's enough.
Put me in.
Does it seem strong and secure?
Yeah.
I think so.
It's awesome.
Is it gonna be scary when I do?
Did you unhook it? Okay.
See if Patrick can do it.
Yeah.
Wait, let me go in.
Okay.
You put it on upside down.
No, it's all right. You just flip it around.
Here, tie him up. Your head back.
Tight.
Hook, man. There you go. You're good.
Now swing me. Oh, no. Okay, that's good. Stop.
Good.
Okay.
All right, perfect. Let's unhook this and we'll see how easily it goes back in there.
Don't unhook it.
And then I'll show you how it hangs on my deck. Yep, help me unhook it.
The name is
Like that. Yep. Go unhook those straps. And I'll show you how to put it back down in here. All you gotta do is start smushing it in this pocket.
really
Yeah. Very easy. Unless you want to try to fold it up.
Hunter. Hold it. Hunter, hold it. Look. Hold this. Lift up your hand.
See?
And then snap it.
Roll these back up. So what do you think, boys? Do you think that thing's cool? We can take it camping?
Yeah, I like it.
And you stick that in there like that.
And you gotta give it a reason why you put it like an A+ or whatever.
Holy crap, you're
Like-
still rolling. Hold that.
Ooga booga. Oh, that was.
Put this around
Does
it.
it all fit in there? Does it all fit in there?
Yeah. Put that
That's cool.
back in there like this.
So it's like really.
That's all in a convenient little pouch.
And this weighs just a little bit over 2 pounds.
Wait, why does
Let's
it
go
3
on my
pound
deck
weight?
and I'll show you how it hooks up on there.
Why did?
All right, this shows you a little better what I was saying about how to hang this on a tree or even on your deck. This looped side is over there, so when I pull on it, it tightens it up. If I would put that side like over here and pull on it, it's gonna could keep falling. So I put it out right there and it's gonna tighten up. Now before I hook this on my deck, you might want to either sand or router down these edges. Like I ran my router around that side over there. So where it's really pulling on it, it's not even, yeah, this is rounded. All right, this is how it hangs on my deck. And I just have
There's nothing in it.
4x6 posts here on my deck. I guess even if you had 4x4 posts, it would work. Now my deck is 16 foot wide, so if you had a deck, or you could try to even go, like if I went on an angle, I'd even have further I could go. But so if your deck is at least 16 foot wide and you have 4x4s or 6x6s or 4x6s like I have, you could hang it on your deck. Your kids could sleep out here at night. So maybe I could buy another one of these and I could hang 2. You guys could take a nap.
Wait, can I go in?
And put your little phone in there. This thing is definitely pretty nice.
It's comfy.
The stitching looks real good on it. I think it'll last a long time. It's pretty nice.
I'd buy one if I was going camping.
All right, thanks for watching my video. I'll put a link to this down in the description if you'd like to check one of these out. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you've ever owned one of these, or let me know what you think of how this is. I definitely think it's pretty strong. Thank you very much for watching my video. God bless and have a great camping summer.